here in Riverwalk Apartments in Dallas, Texas. It's a 176 unit property built in the early 1980s.
As you can see, there's a lot of bridges that sort of connect two sides of this property, but you're not going to need a bridge loan on this property right now. It's probably going to trade in sort of the low to mid fives on cap rate, and so on your leverage on a Fannie Freddie loan, you're probably looking sort of mid 50s up to 60% LTV on this.